Don't you think this is starting to wear on me? You've been raining down like hail. I'm weak. I have tried to give you my soul, but you can't love something.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara and today I'm gonna be giving you guys some cooking and cleaning motivation. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you a recipe that is super simple and very delicious, and it's chicken parmesan. Stick around for the entire video if you want to see me clean the house, and if you guys like that video, please leave a like. That lets me know that you enjoy these types of videos on my channel, and also please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. Before I start cooking, I will wash the dishes so that I don't have to do them all after dinner. Now that I have space, I started cooking. I started by cutting the chicken in half because we didn't need the chicken to be that thick, and it also makes the cooking time shorter. Once I was done cutting the chicken, I took some breadcrumbs and parmesan and mixed them in a bowl. I also sprinkled the chicken with this spice mix. It's basically just salt and some other spices, but you can use just salt and pepper. And I also added some olive oil.
Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon. The sun don't rise, all the light is gone from me and you. Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon. The sun don't rise, all the light is gone from me and you.
Then I put the chicken in the oven for 30 minutes. And while it was baking, I started cleaning my living room, and I also had a time to sort a load of laundry and tidy up the laundry room.
Touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. But we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love.
And this is my final product. I also cooked some rice on the side, and the recipes for both chicken and rice will be in the description below. After we ate dinner, I started cleaning the mess that I made in the kitchen, so I cleaned the stove and the counters and of course the dishes. Now I'm actually cleaning the oven. We had this oven for 2 weeks now, I think, and I've been using it for almost every day, so it's getting pretty dirty and I really want to stay on top of that. I want to thank you guys to stick around till the end with me. I really hope that you found some type of motivation from this video, and I hope that you will try this recipe because it's super simple, like I said. So thank you guys so much for watching, and think about subscribing if you aren't already. I have a lot more videos planned for you, so you definitely don't want to miss them. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!